Hi everyone, Chris Phillips here with Showcase Shower Door. Hey, I'm going to make an offer that's going to help you save a lot of money on your bathroom remodel and just save you a lot of headaches too. So watch this short video and at the end I'll tell you how we're going to do that. You know, my job is to meet with homeowners, contractors, designers, and talk about shower enclosures. Now, usually this happens at the end of a bathroom remodel. Everything's done, and I'm usually about the last person to come in, and we meet there and look at the shower and talk about what the options are. And what I've discovered is that many times there have been some mistakes made along the way. Some things that, if they'd been done a little bit differently, would have created a lot more options for homeowners. And as a result of that, they're kind of limited as to what they can do, and they have to settle for just what's possible. When just some simple tweaks at the beginning would have opened up all kinds of other opportunities. So this is my offer. I would like to come and meet with you at the beginning of your project. Maybe before any of the remodeling has even begun. Let's meet in the same place, same people. You can bring your whole team, and let's look at the project and talk about what you really want and what you would have if you could have anything. And I can help you avoid the pitfalls that happen to so many people. Show you where to put the blocking to support the weight of the glass you're going to install, how to slope the curb in a little bit, make sure that the water drains back into the shower. You'd be amazed how often that gets missed. A lot of times people want to put the shower head right next to the commode. It makes it almost impossible to get in and out of the shower in a way that's comfortable and convenient. So anyway, I would like to meet with you personally. So give me a call. The number is 831-464-3899. Again, you can always check out our website. That's showcaseshowerdoor.com. My name is Chris Phillips. Thank you very much.